Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Steam installed so you can manage games. First, confirm your Mac OS version and whether you're on Apple Silicon. This matters for compatibility. Next, download the Steam installer, open the DMG and drag Steam app into Applications. Once done, launch Steam. If Mac OS blocks it, go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy and allow the app. Sign in with your Steam credentials so the client can sync your library and save cloud settings before you install games. You'll now organize where games live and how they download. Open Steam settings and pick your download region and set bandwidth limits if you need background performance. Then go to Storage and create additional Steam library folders on external or internal drives so large titles don't fill your startup disk. For games that need compatibility layers, check per game properties to enable Mac OS-specific launches or Proton-like options where available. Make sure to verify integrity of game files if installation stalls, then start installing the first title. You're at the finish line. Launch the game and configure graphics and input for your Mac. Lower resolution or presets if frame rate is low, and make sure full screen or windowed mode matches performance needs. Keep Mac OS, GPU firmware, and Steam itself up to date. Reboot after installs to apply drivers. If issues occur, verify game files, check the game's log in ~library/application support/Steam, and clear shader caches. If that fails, use Steam's built-in support or the community for targeted fixes and workarounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.